Good afternoon, Nigerians. I am in the tax local government office. Local government office of the state. I will do it. I will pay you your 15,000, but I will popularize your face. I'm going to do it. We were going to Jesus, do you see this man beating me? Do you see him? The Nigerians, do you see him beating me? Do you see him? Show me your face. Domestic violence, show me your face. Yes, I know me. Where are you running to? Why are you hiding? Where are you running to? Look at the face of the man beating me. Of the state government. Look at the face of the man beating me. Look at the face of the man beating me. An officer of the Ogun State government. We were going to just try to buy something for my daughter, whose birthday is coming up in the next 2 weeks. And they caught us and said that we should come to the office. We will pay a fine of 15,000 because there's a total lockdown in Ogun State. They have told them to puncture my tires, and this is the face of the man beating me with all that is going on in the country right now, with people dying because of violence. This man is beating me. Beating me. This is his face. This is his face. I need to get his name. Don't touch me, please. Don't touch me. Talk to your boss. Excuse me. Don't tell me that. This is his face. He's running away because he doesn't want people to see his face. Face me, Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter, face me. This is them. Can you see them? Officers of the government beating women. Officers of the government beating women. I will do only. No, I'm not paying a couple. They will bring that car to my house. I'm going to put this on Twitter. I'm going to. Tani governor one. But Mama said, you got a rope and say, let me show his face. What's your name? Very good. What's your name, sir? I need to know his name. I need to know his name.
Calm down. You calm down. I need to know, madam. The video me in mind, but calm down. Check me. Let me log down. The video me in mind. I'm not being legal here.
Did you see him beating me?
Madam, calm down.
Did you see him? I'm asking Sherry, don't know me.
Video never me
saw. Video, madam. Rather, sir. I'm sorry. I can't trust you if your colleague can beat me in your presence. Your colleague. This man. Where is he? Oh, no, me.
Calm down. Calm down. No matter the situation.
Yes, my people, I greet all of una accordingly. Share una see the video when be say me yes, I dey show una so. Now they watch the video since now don't see am by una self. Yes, my people, I still remember una lawyer boy MC Koboko. This now the video when be say me yes, I get for now for today. This now waiting be say me yes. Nigeria government, Nigeria security, Nigeria police, see the way when they take now, the way when they take they behave, now be the video when you they watch. So this now innocent woman now. This woman when be say me yeah, this policeman they beat now person mama. The woman when be say me the police they beat, the policeman they beat now person mama, now person wife, now person sister. My question to this policeman when be say me yes, he dey beat that lady now. If not the right thing, this policeman they do, why the policeman go they run for camera? If not the right thing the man they do, you call yourself officer of the law, you call yourself policeman or CID or no. Now you know what you call yourself to become. You call yourself as an officer. You do your right, but you dey run for camera. If not the right thing you dey do as an officer, what make you dey run for camera? This is why I tell una say me, una wan be the youth when I dey always tell una say me, if una feel say me all this security when be say me yes, Nigeria get, when Nigeria dey call security say that they protect una, that they protect life, that they protect life, that they protect property, if now these people una put medal, my guy, the Nigeria has nothing to write about. All this security when Nigeria get, there not be security when be say me yes, human being go feel rely on. you dey see am so. This na wetin tell me now, you dey beat woman, you dey run. Shey you don see the video by yourself? Na this one no be by say na me dey talk am. Dey see am so. You don see the video. This one no be say I wan just carry dey talk. You dey see am. So that is why I dey always dey show una the video, the evidence. Dey see am so, the way when Nigeria government take dey act, the way when they take dey behave. Even though for the country when you dey, you don get any western world when be say yes, police go dey act the way when this man take dey act na when call himself police. I no know whether na real police o. When be say yes, he himself say he na officer, he know the law, he know the right, he dey run for camera. If na the right thing the man dey do, why he go dey beat woman now with camera? Woman hold phone, he dey video am, he dey beat am when he know say yes, say he na officer, he get license as an officer, he get ID card, he dey run for camera. Why the man now dey run for the truth if the man is doing the right thing? This na the question when be say yes, I come ask this man. My guy, if you come across this video, make you try share this video. Share this video, maybe say yes, the whole world go still know, see am. The whole world go see and let the video go viral. When be say yes, everybody who no first see the video go see use this opportunity to see and say yes. Now where nose dey, now where the country still dey, now dey. No development, no civilized, as in nothing dey work. Even the people when be say they call themselves officer, now they call themselves security. Now they come worse pass for the masses body. You see am so, my guy. If you come across this video, I beg share this video. I still remember your loyal boy MC Koboko, aka How to Fight a Lion Without Fear. One love, my people. Share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video, my friend. Like my page. One love.